Hey guys, today we're gonna see what's inside of a 9.6 volt battery pack. So let's get to it. Pop and open. What? Didn't do anything. This is like rubber plastic thing. I am actually scared I get shocked. Oh, my knife is going pretty easily in, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to find. There's another rubber bag. Oh. I haven't found anything yet. I just need to take off this. Ooh. As you guys can see, my lab was took, so I have to use it on my ping pong table. So, yeah, but you've cut through here, a little bit through here. I'm gonna keep on going to the little part, just to get through and see what we can get inside of it. What the? They're all yellow. Keep on cutting through this. Perfect. We're in. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look what I found in there. It's these little. Look at that. Comment down below if you know what this stuff is. Probably nothing. So I'm just gonna skip through me getting through all of it. Bye. Okay, guys. So, note to self: don't inhale this stuff because I just like whoa. I breathed it in. I was like whoa. I just like almost threw up, and it has pretty strong fumes, so don't try it. So yeah. Okay, I just got shocked. I was cutting. Whoa. Okay, I was cutting through. I was going like this, you know, like chin, 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 cutting through, and I was like, it just shocked me. Ooh, it just hurt so much. And I think that crystalish stuff is starting to burn my fingers because my fingers are on fire right now. Okay. To leave them in one spot, they just start getting really hot. Anyway, don't try this at home ever, even if you think you want to get things inside. I'm going to do this in a better place, so yeah. But thank you guys for watching. This is what's inside, and the top cable right there. So, and don't try that at home because that shock was pretty strong. 9.6 volts is very strong, so don't try that. So yeah, don't try this at home, and I'll see you later, guys. 3, 2, 1. Awesome science. Boom.